Hi, I am Niranjan. I am working as a Java programmer in Spyro Solutions Private Limited. Now I am going to explain the concept about securing topology maintenance protocol for sensor network. In this, the main scope of our project is to preventing the network from the inside and outside attacker. In existing, they are using the TMP protocol to preventing the network. In this problem of this network, TMP protocol to preventing the network from the inside and outside attacker, they are using the several mechanisms to preventing the inside attacker, and also they are using the several mechanisms for outside attacker. To avoid these kind of things, we are going to using the Meta TMP protocol. It's most advanced to preventing the network. Here we are simplifying the preventing the network from the inside and outside attacker. Now I am going to explain the concept with the block diagram. It will be very helpful to know about the securing topology maintenance protocol. This is one network. In this network, I am having 2-3 clients. They are connecting with one server. Okay, when one client sending one request to the server getting the system details about the client. When server getting the system details about the client can't do anything without the permission of the server. Server monitoring all the things from the client. If one attacker client also do the same thing, means the attacker client also considered as a ordinary client. After the getting the system details, attacker client can't do anything in the network without the server monitoring. To avoid these kind of attacks, the attacker client sending multiple requests to the server. Because of the multiple requests, server can't get the system details about the attacker client because of the socket failure. To avoid these kind of attacks, we are going to use the connection refused algorithm to abort this connection. When one client send the second request to the server, before the server responds, we have to error that connection. We have to send that particular client from the network. Now we are preventing the network from the inside attacker. Now we have to think about the outside attacker. To prevent the outside attack, let's see this diagram. When one client send one file request to the server implementing the RSA algorithm. In this RSA algorithm, we having two keys. One is known as a public key and another one is a private key. The requested file is encrypted with the public key and the original file is added with the private key. After finishing the implementation of RSA algorithm, server responds the encrypted file with the public key to the client. When client receiving the response from the client, one key path will be generated between the server and client. Okay, after the key path generation, client have to compare the key with the public key with the private key in the key path. After the successful key comparison, the original file is downloaded in the client system. In this same process, suppose one outside attacker try to attack the client, means suppose he using the worm file. Why we are taking the worm file means, if the one client is attacked by the virus, means it happen nothing, because virus will be split in the system with the human interaction only. Without the human interaction, virus can't do anything. But the worm file is not like that. Worm file will be spread over the network without the human interaction. We have to avoid the receiving the file. But in this our proposed system, when one attacker try to attack the client with the worm file from the outside network, first the client see the public key. Without the key, it not allow the system to receive the file. Okay, suppose the attacker know the public key, means he can generate the public key and he send the file with the public key also. Here the key action will be getting failure, because the key generation only available between the server and the client inside the network only. Without the key path also, it don't allow the system to receive the file from the outside the network. By using the Meta TMP protocol, we are going to prevent the network from the inside and outside attacker in the good manner. Thank you.